Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance into any other platform like Coinbase or Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want a free $10 bonus for signing up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus for free. And let's jump right into the video. So the steps you want to do is you want to go to your Binance app and log in into your Binance account. After you log in into your Binance account, you want to go on where it says wallets over here on Binance. You want to go on wallets. After on your wallet, you want to click on where it says transfer. Once you click on transfer, basically over here it says BTC, but if you want to change it to any other crypto, you can click on it and choose whichever crypto you want to transfer by searching its name. So let's say I'm going to transfer ETH, right, ETH, but right now I do not have Ethereum on my wallet, but if I did, then it would be shown over here. So right now I have, Bitcoin on my wallet, so it's showing over here. And after, you choose your crypto, you can enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. So right now I want to transfer one crypto over here. It's showing me this because I do not have enough Bitcoin in my account, but if I did have Bitcoin, it was not going to be shown over here, anything over here. After choosing the amount of crypto you want to transfer, you want to choose which method you want to use to, transfer over here, P2P or any method, or you can even switch it up over here from to just like switching it up. After switching it off, you want to click on transfer. After this, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask for your wallet address to which wallet you want to transfer, and you want to enter the wallet address to where you want to transfer. And remember, while entering the wallet address, you want to enter the correct wallet address, because once you enter a wrong wallet address, it will be transferred into another person's wallet, and once it's transferred into a wrong wallet, you can't renew it. It's gone. All right, so while transferring it, be sure to enter the correct wallet address. It's like a link. You just copy it and paste it or scan the QR code. All right, scanning the QR code will be safe, so just try to scan the QR code as much as you can, but if it is not available, then just copy paste the wallet address, and basically it will be transferred. And while transferring, do not transfer Bitcoin into Ethereum wallet, it will be lost. Transfer Bitcoin into Bitcoin wallet. So just keep that in mind. All right, so hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus for free. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.